Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform keyword search on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up Google Docs using the desktop shortcut that we created on a previous video or by using your web browser. Now I'm just going to open up a random document on which I can show you how to do keyword search. Now once you open up your document, all you need to do is simply enter Ctrl F if you're on Windows or the Command F key if you're on Mac. This will then open up the Find in Document pop-up. Now all you need to do is type in the word that you want to find within the entire document. As soon as you type it in, you will see how many of these words that you can find. It will immediately start highlighting the word as well. You can click on the down and the up buttons to find the various sections where this word can be found. You can just type in any word that you want and just click on these down and up buttons on the side, and you will be able to find all of the locations where you can find your mentioned word. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform keyword search on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.